So poor old Raven, the VT Berlina, has decided to poop the bed all of a sudden. I'd been driving it more and more, trying to turn it back into a daily driver. I parked it a couple of weeks ago, went back the next morning, and full crank, no fire. So that's fun. So the basics for a running motor are fuel, spark, air and compression. Given it was running fine, we've lost something all of a sudden. So compression and air I'm thinking are going to be okay. So it's either going to be spark or fuel. Either we've lost the fuel pump or we've lost the spark somehow. So there's a quick, easy test to rule in or rule out fuel. So let's do that. So first thing on these cars, the fuel pump is in the tank. So I'm going to sit you by the tank and you can tell me if you can hear the fuel pump start when I start the ignition. Okay, so I'm pretty sure we heard the pump whirring then. So that's not great because I think we have fuel in the tank, but we'll just try one more thing. It could still be fuel supply, so I've got myself some starter fluid. We're going to take off the air intake main hose and squirt some starter fluid in the manifold and see if we get a hiccup. So now to open the flap of the throttle body, you can just pull on these cables to the side. That's your accelerator cable. You can open that up and spray in. Kind of put that on, doesn't need to be great. Now let's see if we get any splutter at all. We did. Okay, so it is not a spark issue. Our security isn't the problem. It is a fuel supply issue, and we can work with that. Now I've owned this car almost all its life. Gosh, 26, 27 years. And I seem to remember a long time ago, even though it says I've got a quarter of a tank left, I think I might be dry. There'll still be fuel in the tank, but I am in an uphill left-hand down position and the scavenger is on the right-hand side of the tank. And I have a suspicion my scavenger is slightly shallow, and even though I've got fuel in the tank, I am not getting any from the fuel pump. So I'm gonna go get some fuel, fill up maybe 5 to 10 liters, and I think this might start. So as you can see, it's a fairly uphill position here, and it's also very passenger side down. It's quite a steep camber in the road here. And if I remember correctly, it might have been this exact parking spot that did it 10 or 15 years ago as well. And off to the gas station we go. Before we do that, I'm going to put this back on properly in case I forget. Okay, it's dark, but we're back and we've got 5 liters of fuel, so we'll dump all of that in. And that's all in. Button it all up. Alright, we've turned it on, we've given it some time for the fuel pump to properly prime. Let's see if we got enough in there and if we're lucky. Hey! Yay! And there we go, that's all it was, just a bad angle causing the scavenger to miss the fuel. She's back on the flat and running again. I don't have time now, but tomorrow we'll take her for a nice big drink and she'll be all hunky-dory again. So quick, easy win for tonight. Luckily, nothing actually wrong with the car. Pretty much operator error really, but just also a bit of a funky gauge and a scavenger. So let me know if your VT or any other cars do the same thing. See yous.